In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana's new AI features. If you're excited to streamline your workflow and harness the power of artificial intelligence, you've come to the right place. To begin, ensuring your plan supports the AI features is crucial. You'll need either the advanced or enterprise plan, so double check your subscription. If your plan is ready, but AI isn't enabled, reach out to your workspace admin and request the enabling of Asana Intelligence. It's a simple step, but it's vital for everything that follows. Once that's set up, let's dive into using smart status updates. Navigate over to one of your projects and head to the status updates section. Here, you'll see an option to generate with AI. Click on it and watch as Asana drafts a comprehensive update for you, pulling in essential data like the current progress percentage, any open questions, as well as blockers and risks. After the draft is ready, make sure to refine and edit it to ensure it accurately reflects your project updates. Once satisfied, go ahead and publish it for your team. Next, let's explore getting smart answers. In your project view, there's a handy Ask AI option. This tool is phenomenal for quick inquiries like what tasks are overdue or what's blocking this sprint. Just type your question and the AI will scan your project and fetch an answer almost instantaneously. It saves time and ensures you have the information you need at your fingertips. Now moving on to creating smart goals, head over to the goals section and click on New Goal. The AI can assist you by suggesting a goal structure, relevant metrics to track progress, and even detecting duplicates to avoid overlapping with existing goals. This smart suggestion feature can significantly enhance how you set and manage goals, keeping everything aligned and efficient. When starting a new project and want to optimize from the get-go, use the AI project setup. This efficient tool suggests task templates, phases, and dependencies. For projects already in motion, click Summarize. It provides quick project highlights like 5 tasks done, 3 at risk, giving you a real-time snapshot of progress and potential areas of concern. Automation is another powerful aspect of Asana's AI features. Navigate to Tools and select AI Studio. Here, you can choose or customize a workflow tailored to your needs, whether triaging requests or assigning tickets. You can set specific rules such as automatically assigning tasks labeled as bug to the dev team or having AI generate summaries and checklists when a document is uploaded. Finally, connecting AI to your files and links enhances productivity. Attach files from Google Drive, OneDrive, or SharePoint and include web links in your tasks. The AI analyzes these sources, enabling it to read, summarize, or extract information directly, thereby keeping your project documents organized and insightful to everyone involved. By embracing these features, you'll be well on your way to transforming how you manage and collaborate on your projects with Asana.